Howdy, y'all. Welcome back to another episode of Day Drinking. Uh, these are my hammock stands. That one's a cheapy Amazon stand, but it holds my butt and a 10.5 foot camping hammock quite easily. This is my Tensa stand, portable. It folds up and can carry it on a motorcycle, and I don't need trees, and it's really awesome. Probably seen it on other videos because I'm sure you watch all my videos. Anyway, let's get back to drinking, shall we? Today we have New Belgium, which is one of the big breweries, but once in a while I drink it anyway. Can't all be craft brewers. This is a special release Oakspire Bourbon Barrel Ale in collaboration with Four Roses. I love me some bourbon. 9% alcohol. Limited edition collaboration between New Belgium and Four Roses. Oak Spice is a unique bourbon-inspired ale aged with oak spirals and char from inside the barrel. Smooth notes of toffee, vanilla, and caramel wrap up with a refined finish. Oakspire, where innovation meets tradition. I like bourbon-aged beers, so let's see how this does. Got my handy radio can opener here, bottle opener. Oh, sorry, where was I? Bottle cap. Smells malty. Firestone is my go-to for barrel-aged brews. They're awesome. There's a couple of the others. Somebody up near Chicago or Milwaukee, I forget who it is, has some good stuff. It smells like a malty sweet ale. A little bit of spice like vanilla or something. Cheers. Smooth. Doesn't taste like a 9%er. Malty. Not bitter at all. So this is a malt forward for sure. Sweet. You can get the toffee. It's a nice smooth brew. I'm not sure if it's like Firestone, or as it warms it gets better. That's where the character really comes through with theirs. New Belgium, I just don't know. It's got incredible effervescence, great head of foam, beautiful caramel color. Definitely a good looking beer, and a sweet beer if you like sweet brews. Yeah, it's nothing like a Firestone. It's not as complex, but it's fine on its own. Maybe 3.5 to 3 3/4, somewhere in that neighborhood. I'll let it warm a little before I completely finish it, so I can see if it's better, closer to room temperature. But yeah, it's acceptable. It's a New Belgium version of a barrel-aged brew. If you like that kind of thing, you'll like it. Not as much character as I'm looking for, but enjoyable quaff. So it's a thumbs up. Um, and I'm gonna let it warm and then enjoy it. Thanks for watching, and y'all have a great day. Cheers!